homeworks.
CA, can you do number 9?
Number 9, sure. Now I know I going through a lot of people didn't finish. Look at the date. Uh, and Elizabeth says she's need to study for this test, and some people just didn't finish. I need you to finish because that way you get enough practice for the test. Test is sometime next week. I don't know when yet because of the Labor Day. So we're gonna see how far we can go. Today we're gonna go with how to add and subtract rational function. But meanwhile, I'm gonna go over the homework. So we said number number 9, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let me look at the number 9. Um, this is number 9. Number 9 says, they just say what is domain, right? They want to find a domain of the function. So it's gonna be 3 plus 2x. Domain is not gonna be matter for the numerator. It's just a denominator. So you can factor out, just take this and find out when they equal to 0. So it'll be x squared plus x minus 2. And this is x times x plus 2 and x minus 1. And then you're gonna get x is equal to 0, x equal to -2, x is equal to 1. So there's 3 situations here. But they are cannot equal to because when they equal to that value, it's undefined. So technically you can draw it out. 0, -2, and 1. Those are all open circles. So basically it's all the value except those values. So if you want to do an interval notations, -infinity to -2, union from -2 to 0, union from 0 to 1, and the union from 1 to infinity. And that's a proper way to write down the domain. Next question. Yes.
X minus 5.
Which question? Just tell me which number.
Next. I know the number.
X minus 5? I don't see anything.
No,
minus
X minus 9 over 9x, or 9 minus x.
We talked about that one yesterday. Those two it's on the notes. I don't know if you take a notes. Yes. Yeah. Go ahead.
So why not 0 to infinity and infinity to 1?
Because 1 is not defined, so you read 0 to 1, all the number between 0 to 1, and then 1 to infinity. You cannot do 0 to infinity, that means including 1.
Oh, okay.
Okay, next question. Yes,
Can you factor the top from 31?
sure, 31, that means okay, question 31. You cannot factor the top, but you can factor the bottom.
Okay, so the answer is 1 over 3x plus 5. Okay.
Yeah, so this one, if you factor the bottom,
I just realized that. Yeah.
so if you factor the bottom, this one is gonna be 3x plus 5, and 9x squared minus 15x plus 25. And this is 9x squared minus 15x plus 25. Not all the time you can factor, especially this one. If you use Box method, it doesn't work. But you can cancel this completely, write down 1. So it'll be 1 over 3x plus 5. And that's a right way to approach it. So you have some difference of the cube. You had to incorporate that. There's a factor by grouping. You have to incorporate that. You had to incorporate a lot of things. Next questions. Yeah. 50 what? 55. Okay, lovely. That's a good question. 55, it says 8b plus 24 all over 3a plus 6 divide AB minus 2B plus 3A minus 6 all over A squared minus 4A plus 4. Now, when you ever have a divide, I will always change it to multiplication, but I'll go ahead and factor out as much as I can here. So if I factor out 8, that's going to be B plus 3. That's called GCF factoring. And this is 3. This is A plus 2. Hopefully you have that already. Now, this the division, I will change this. So I will factor this because I will flip this. So this one's going to go to the top and this one's going to go to the bottom. Is that okay? So I just factor that. So this one is going to go to the top. So it's going to be A minus 2 times A minus 2 if I use a box. This one doesn't have to use a box. You can visualize the box inside your head. And you can say, oh, A2, that's what is going to give you negative. Now, however, this one, you need a little bit of work because this one is factor by grouping. So this one is factor. So it's going to be A minus 2 and times 3 A minus 2. So it's plus. So it's be A minus 2 times 3 B plus A. B plus 3. Is that okay? So be A minus 2 times B plus 3. And if you see that, it's nicely canceled. And it's going to be A of A minus 2 over 3 of A plus 2. Now, can they cancel? No. Nothing I can cancel there. So this is keep changing flips. That's why when the first day we're talking about multiplying fractions, I'm trying looking for simplifications. Is anytime you see a numerator and denominator can simplify. Some of you guys are, that's why I asked you to simplify fraction before. I even like Caleb got a very good score, right? But one of the division one, you try to multiply the top and bottom and bottom. You got a very big number you were able to simplify, but you could have simplified diagonally. Now it's numerator and denominator can simplify. And you multiply. So that question applied to here because you can cancel diagonally as long as one from numerator, one from denominator. And one numerator, one denominator can simplify. Try to simplify things before you multiply. That's just an easier way to do something. You math, you want to find out the shortest path to do something. So building a good habit helps. So this division, I'll go over one more question. What is it? 41? Sure. 41 says A cube, and automatic I see 4 term is vector by grouping. So I already know that I'm already gonna do certain thing here. Except this one vector by grouping is kind of tricky, but this one is gonna be 5A cube plus 5A times 6A squared over 2A squared minus 2B squared. My Natasha.
Bye, Mr. Ed. Thank you.
Okay, there.
I'll see you on Tuesday.
Okay. So if you factor out, this is GCF. So I can factor out A squared. That's going to be A plus B, I believe. This one actually can factor out 1. So that's how you see different square on this case. This is kind of tricky for some students. And this one can be 5A. And this is going to be A squared plus 1. So I use GCF factor by grouping. I didn't finish factoring the factor by grouping. Nothing can simplify there. Please don't try to simplify. I'm going to multiply 6A squared. And I'm going to factor out 2. So it'll be A squared minus B squared. Any questions so far? I'm just big, massive factoring. A squared plus 1 times A plus B. This is just factoring correctly. 5A times A squared plus 1 times 6A squared over 2. This is a difference square. So it'll be A plus B times A minus B. So I go ahead and factor that. I will probably simplify this. I see simplification of this one. I see a cancel out with this a. So on the top, I left with the 6a. On the bottom, I have 10 times a minus b. Hopefully I have the right answer. I think that's, oh, 6 and 10 can simplify. Let's do 3 over 5. So that'd be 3a over 5 times a minus b. And yeah, so this is none of those questions are very difficult. If you have a very good factoring foundation from previous sections, if you build that foundation, then you would be fine. Somebody raise their hand on this side. Is it Ayla? Did you raise your hand?
37.
Okay.
Wait, do you know if I have an answer or is it not saying answer?
I have answers. I can post the answer in a second. You guys can match it, but I know a lot of you guys did not finish. I didn't want to post the answer because you just write down the answer most of the time. And that's, that's look. The test is you have to do things on your own. I can't really tell you. If Arthur tried one question and just say, oh, "That's all I'm doing," I mean, I can't really help you. Try 4. Okay. I'm actually kind of proud of 4. For your standard,
That's
yeah. For your standard, that's actually okay. But I think you need to raise that standard by a bit.
Yeah.
Because to start with 0, so if you go to 4, it's already improved.
well, standard is so low. It's
Yeah.
Whenever I get a B in a test, like, we didn't, why'd you get a B? Like, well, I mean, the average is like a D. B's pretty good. Because all the average is bad. So that's not like an excuse.
Okay, so let's look at this question. A plus B over AB divided by a squared minus b squared over 4a cubed b. Now this is all multiplication. So, and then, I mean, for this particular part, this is this times this and this times this. So there's a can simplify. So a plus b times a b. And this is the times, so this is a plus b and a minus b. It's called difference of the square. This is a 4a cubed b. So this one here is going to be simplified like this. This is simplified like this to 2. And a plus b cancel out. So that's going to be 4a squared over a minus b. Ayla, is that okay? Am I doing okay or? A lot of this factoring you should be able to do it in your head now, unless it's something that's a little bit hard. Like, for example, 29, the top part of factoring and bottom part of factoring is a little bit harder. But everything else is very straightforward. Questions? Okay, can I go over today's stuff? Okay, so we are adding and subtracting now. Okay, so how do I add, subtract rational functions? So, and this is why we studied adding fraction before. Now we're just gonna add in terms of expression. You can realize that there's nothing different between two. If you know how to do one thing, you know how to do this. So let's start with something. I'm gonna go with. I don't like any of those. I'll just go to straight something that's more difficult. So let's just say 2 over x squared y plus 3 over 3x third y. and I say I want to add those two rational functions. You compare the denominator, you see which one's missing what. And you see, what will be a thing that they both have. What's the least common denominator? I'm going to draw it out so to show you this is the x, and this is the y, right? And this is the x, and this is the x, and this is the x, and this is the y, and this is 3. Okay, so obviously, if I want to make those two fractions the same, I'm missing something on the, which one? Left side or the right side?
Left side.
Left side. What am I missing? 3x. So I'm going to color code this 3x. Is that okay? So that makes that they have both has 3x. So I need to multiply this side by 3x over 3x. Is that okay? Because that's only way you can add the common denominator. When you're adding fraction, you gotta make sure you common denominator. So this is 3x to the third y, and this is 6x. Now it's plus 3 over 3x3. Sorry, 3x3 y. And that's equal to 6x plus 3 over 3x to the third y. Maybe I can factor out, wait, hold on a second. Okay, maybe I can factor out something at 3 on the top. So it'll be 2x plus 1, right? Over 3x to the third y. So this can cancel out. So it'll be 2x plus 1 over x cubed y. I factor out 3 on the top because I can simplify. You're adding fraction just like before. They are no different than this test and the previous test. The idea is still the same. Do you want to try one? Okay. Let's go with 4 over x to the 3y. And a plus 3 over 5x to the fourth y. Okay, so I want to add those two expressions together. Check your group, see what I get. Devin, help them. What you do?
So, Spain, I'm not sure which one. No, but it's yeah. Well, we would have to. I
You could simplify it. You can do that.
Probably the easiest.
I think yeah.
Okay. I got 4 plus 3.
Joe, you sit with that group in the back, and Elizabeth move this side to Caleb, so you guys have somebody to help you. Elizabeth next to you is Arthur.
All right.
We're
saying
it's my
Yes. Wow, come sit here. No,
The X.
Oh, I see.
you can sit with you. In the back, Joe down, stay with you.
Just cancel out.
Okay. 2.
If you split it, you.
I don't. If you.
So what do I need on this side?
Is to.
This has an x cubed, this one has x4. So what do I need on this side?
5x.
Yeah.
5x, yeah. So this is 5x and 5x. So therefore, it's gonna be 5x to the 4th y, and this is 20x plus 5x 4y, right? 3, right? So this can add those two together. Just gonna be 5x 4y, 20x plus 3. There's nothing can simplify the x because it's connected to here. It's connected to 3. It's not multiplying to the 3. So you cannot cancel the x and x what? You cannot simplify that. You had to get that.
Okay, we want that anyway. You want like dogs? Okay, you know for cats, Mr. Ye likes cats more than dogs.
I like dog because I'm Chinese. I eat dog.
Exactly.
Right.
No, I don't eat dog. I'm vegetarian actually.
Have you ever eaten dog?
But actually, Chinese people does eat dog, especially in Beijing.
So it's
In
not
Ba-
like a stereotype? Like that's an actual thing?
No, it's actual thing. I'm shameful of it, but they do eat dog in Beijing. They actually a dish that is they just
Have you ever
eat dog.
tried it at least?
No, I'm vegetarian. I'm vegetarian all my life. He's not vegetarian. He's not born vegetarian, but I'm vegetarian from the start, from the first thing. So I don't eat dog, but he doesn't eat dog either. So don't worry. I just want to clarify. I always make fun of life because I think if you don't make fun of it, it's kind of boring.
No, it's better. I'm laughing because of how much you have to clarify. He's not gonna eat it, but just in case.
Yeah. But they do. That's the thing. Like they in China, they eat some weird shit. It's just like,
A live octopus. That probably will get sick.
oh, that's Korean. That's not Chinese. And people die from it too.
You can die.
Yeah, the live squid. They get sucked in on your esophagus and they cannot breathe. So because they expand and then they will like hold down to it without going digestion, and then people die from it.
I'd want that. Oh my god. Yes.
All right, so
I have a question.
all right.
Do you speak Chinese?
Oh,
Yes, I do.
Knew it.
Good job. Thank you. Bonus for you.
Really? How much? All these being sarcastic, I see.
yes.
It's my class, not sarcasm class, alright?
I'm always sarcastic, so it's okay. So here's x plus 2 and x minus 2. They look really similar, but they're still different. They're still different. So you cannot just add them because here they are not the same denominator. They are not the same. So how do you add those two? Now, you can do is you make them on the left side. It's like this. Imagine that you have 1/2 plus 1/3, right? You cannot add those two fractions. You need to multiply this side by 3/3 and this side 2/2, right? And that's equal to 6, and this 3 plus 2, and that's equal to 5/6. And you can add them after that. Now, what you can do is multiply this by x minus 2 and x minus 2. Huh?
Is this always how we talk?
I'm gonna multiply this by x plus 2 over x plus 2. So on the bottom, it's gonna look like this: x minus 2, x plus 2. Is that okay? Because they have the same denominator.
Yeah.
And on the top, it's gonna give you 3 times x minus 2, and plus 2x times x plus 2. Now, please do not kill a kitten. And now, what we're gonna talk about, kill a kitten. Like,
Bring it up again.
okay,
Yeah, I figured out why you can't do it. You have to multiply. It has to be multiplied.
yes, good job.
Caleb, stop it there.
Okay, all right. So you cannot cancel the x squared because the x squared is not multiplied to 2x plus 1. And the x squared is not multiplied by 3. If they're multiplying, yes, you can cancel out as x squared. So I said, like, this is actually a blog post from a teacher from a long time ago. I followed him since like 15 years ago. He was a teacher in Saudi Arabia. So he posts all those posters on the wall. So because he know like every time kids does this in algebra, so he posts on the board, please don't do this, please don't do this. And just kind of make people aware every time you do this, you're gonna kill a cute kitten.
Can I rename
So some people on the test, they decide to kill the kitten. This is how you kill. This, they go like this, is done. It's not correct. You cannot cancel that because this x plus 2 is adding to this. So you cannot cancel them. So what you can do is, the only thing you can do is distribute them. So that's going to be 3x minus 6 plus 2x squared plus 4x. And then you may organize a little bit. You don't have to FOIL the bottom. You can keep it as a factor form because it's much beneficial to have factor form. So it's going to be 2x squared, I'll write in descending order, plus 7x minus 6. And that should be the correct answer.
Mr. Ye, can I have a letter of recommendation?
For
what?
You're gonna ask Mr. April.
Yeah. Thank you for restating what I said.
Please do not consider the student.
Why you would not do that? Would you act?
The word.
Would you be like, yo, this
Definitely would.
No. Mr. Yes. Could you explain what you did in the last step there with the numerator?
Oh, I organize them. So I write down 2x squared in the front because I want them degree is going down. So the x squared, x, and the constant. And do you see that this 2 is like term? This 3x and the 4x, you can add together, becomes 7x, and that's minus 6.
Gotcha. All right.
Okay, so I want you to try similar question. So 4 over y plus 3 plus 5y over y minus 3. Okay, so do not simplify something that when you don't need to, but you are just 5y. Sorry, my handwriting is bad.
Look, the reason me and Mr. Ye are best friends is because he's sassy, I'm sassy. He's sarcastic, I'm sarcastic.
Absolutely, that's for
He's handsome, I'm handsome. Right, Mr. Ye? I don't know.
Well, you are handsome. I'm ugly.
No. Have self-confidence. No, I got something extremely.
But I am smart, you are.
No, I'm not true. You might be smarter than me in math, but I'm smarter than you in history and geography for sure.
Are you sure?
100% sure.
Okay.
No doubt in my mind. We can do this
Geography?
Monday.
Okay. Geography.
Geography, I'm a genius.
You are a genius.
Genius.
What's a country west of Thailand?
Never eat, saw you. India.
India?
India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, technically every other world is like it revolves.
Okay. How about what is the smallest country in the world?
The Vatican.
Yeah.
Good one.
That one's easy. That one's so obvious.
Okay. I don't know too much.
I see. I told you. I know my. Yeah, all my math knowledge, all my history and geographical.
Okay, that's interesting.
I
We may can use something like that.
probably not. Probably not.
Who invented calculus?
Someone in either India, the Middle East,
Oh, but you're trying to simplify it.
or Chinese. Who?
I don't think the European.
Europeans?
Mr. I'm over here outworking this.
Outworking.
Oh, maybe you should replace him.
Please don't make
Oh,
it.
I got 27 on the top.
I'm gonna try.
But then, I'm gonna you've used things like 300 times. Straight facts.
I'm gonna get a good
I
grade.
mean, I love that you're so humble.
I'm gonna get a good grade on this test after school.
Are you Mormon?
I'm not like Natasha Hattie. I'm not like.
Because you guys sound like very close. I thought you.
You mean Natasha?
No, yeah.
She's my friend.
No, I didn't.
How did you find that information?
You dated Natasha?
For a good while too. Long. Why do you think Arthur tried to
Oh shit.
I cannot see that.
Yeah.
When you're doing box method, I look for guys.
I thought Mormon had to date Mormon. Does the name Mormon had to date Mormon?
That's right. That was one of the contributing factors. Take that down, take that down, take that down. Take that down, dear.
Please don't take that down. Actually,
Take that down, she's gonna pull it up. Oh no. No.
See, I told you didn't have to tell him that, but you decided to.
All right, so hopefully you can check each other. So it's a y plus 3 here, y plus 3. And this is y minus 3 over y minus 3. Please ignore what we just said earlier. Is equal to y minus 3 and y plus 3. Now they have the same denominator. I can distribute this, but the problem some people will think about simplifying it, they cannot simplify. So you can distribute that 4y minus 12 plus 5y squared plus 15y over y minus 3 and y plus 3. Is that okay? So I'll write the ascending order. So this is the highest order. So it'll be 5y squared. There's a like term of plus 19y minus 12 over y minus 3 and y plus 3. And that should be the result. What does this mean? Oh, I thought cook with this.
I don't have to see that.
No. It's yeah, I keep you on. I never said.
All right, so how about the next one is a little bit tricky. So 5x, this is probably the hardest question on the test. Not hardest, but it's just like a little bit hard. So minus 2 over x squared plus x minus 2. So now you do not want a common denominator as of right now. As of right now, it's really hard to pick common denominator. We can do something first. So in this question, what we should do first? What we factor the denominator. Good.
Group leader.
Group leader. Okay. So 5x, because she said the bottom is x squared minus 4. I can factor this as x plus 2 and x minus 2. And I can factor this. I can use a box method, but now I can visualize my box now. I can see that's xx, and I can see that's 2, 1, and I can see that plus 2. So it's going to be x plus 2 and x minus 1.
All sorts of things and so on.
Terrible.
Failing GPA.
Dude, I have a 3.9 right now.
Okay. Now once I factor it, I can decide. They both have x plus 2. But on the left side doesn't have an x minus 1, right? So I can multiply this by x minus 1 over x minus 1. On the right side is missing what?
Plus x minus 2.
X minus 2 over x minus 2. Again, do not oversimplify, but the bottom is going to be x minus 1, x plus 2, x minus 2. I can do distribute backwards like this. I can do it inside my head now. 5x squared minus 5x. But this is a -2. Be careful that -2. This is going to distribute here and distribute here. That's going to be -2x plus 4. So that's equal to 5x squared minus 7x plus 4 over x minus 1 times x plus 2 times x minus 3. And that's it. So you can add the fractions.
What do you mean? Mr. Ye, where'd you get x minus 4?
Oh, this is the -2. I'm sorry.
Oh.
I'm smoking some serious stuff.
Just
That's okay.
care about
Now I would say that most of the time people make mistake is this -2 is going to distribute, not a 2 is distributing. So the -2 is going to distributing. So try one right now.
So since the whole fraction is negative, then I'm gonna go with it.
Yeah, the negative signs are distributed the whole thing.
Is that our question?
Yeah, this is a question.
Why not?
Oh, you are not serious, right? You've been the most passive aggressive way I've met in my life since the day I met you.
That's kind of
I just say can't give
Well,
me.
Mr. Ye, I walk the first interaction I have with her, I walk into class, she goes, there's another one? This is my twin brother, she knows. And the entire year until like December, she's like the most passive aggressive I hate you die
Who said that?
mentality ever.
He was horrible in third year, bro.
I only had it for like.
I was slightly chaotic. Even to this day, if I push your buttons too much, you'll blow up. That's just, there it is, see what I mean?
Oh, wait.
But then she'll just write me a little nice flippy card. You actually didn't give me anything. Not even a card.
All right, come on, finish this problem.
That's no money.
What?
We saved you a seat at Chili's for a bro. Of course, I'm not even like that.
Hey, Mr. Ye, you're gonna give me a second.
Yeah.
Because I think I did. I wrote
Yeah, but if the audience.
Numerators.
On one side, you get X.
You know how to box method?
Yeah, I learned the box method. I just did the box method for this question, but I'm trying to figure out how to do both x plus 2 times x.
See, we took the block ice.
Wait, hold on. Oh, I got x negative 5.
Get your swing up to the top.
Okay. So, going now, get two now. They have -5.
No, wait.
X minus. That's what's going to it's not over this one.
Oh.
Another example. How do we know which one was supposed to apply now? How do we know the price? It's a bit more like that.
Are you done now?
No, I had. I think the fast is good. We had 5.5 hours.
So, yeah. Well, yeah. Like a quarter. Like, but I think that we can.
I look at
So,
Yeah.
I don't know. That's
You guys get the same thing or no?
yeah.
Okay, that's it. That's it for today.
New retail
If you want.
Oh, do you have to?
Yeah.
Do I have to like sit anywhere specific? Can I do the redone test today?
All right.
No, one. Yeah. You can do that. That's fine.
Hold on a second.
I apologize.
So now me?
No, it's not gonna be long.
Why? No, I think.
Yeah, I think that I'm gonna get a good grade on this test. It's fine. Your help.
Hi, so I can't take the test.
You're not
I'll take it today. Is there anyone who can I have like an over.
That's fine.
Okay. All right.
Can you do Monday?
Monday there's no school. Wait, I can take the retake on Monday.
I prefer you take it today. She had an appointment she had to go to.
Yeah, that everything comes because it's.
Okay, I'll just put it on standard. Is there any chance I can take it? Because I don't have a ride home if I take it.
Oh, question.
That's
Yeah.
Why is the if I take the retest, what would be the time I get out? I take the retest, what would be the time I get out?
I don't know. Yeah. 45 minutes.
Ping pong?
Next, 3, 4
My customer.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, people.
That's like my cycle.
Mr. Ye, we figured out the related rates.
Huh?
Okay, so that's the related rates question. I can accept it.
You finish?
Alejandra, yes. Are you telling me that you had to figure a question out?
Yeah.
That's crazy. First time for everything.
It's a.
First time
Don't stop.
Go on now. Next time. I'm fine.
And this is that. If I'm not taking that Are we still on this? Yeah, this time. Why is everybody copying this question?
Yeah. We go back to the question that I was trying to make it right, but I didn't do it.
The only artist.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, that's like much.
You scroll up a little bit. Here. Yeah. It's a second to last one. Yeah, that one.
What's why did you have this? I have it's like my anger. I know. Elder, can you pull this that way? There we go.
Oh, let me grab food.
Yeah, I know.
You ready?
Aaron, how are we putting? Slow?
Elizabeth, you ready?
Well, I'm just texting my friends that I might.
I think you're the same.
Oh.
I like the I just like balls I use are Tiga balls. I like the
Can I just put my phone on your or something?
Yeah. You gotta take it out.
I'm only why are you doing this?
Oh, he's taking it.
It's always are you on my phone too? That was the first week, but
Oh,
Well, you have it now.
I'm Italians.
Yeah.
Sorry, sicker.
It's been this way.
Oh, do I take it outside?
It was.
I promise you.
Oh, okay.
It was your job.
Yeah.
Sure.
Oh, I can do that. Because I know how to do it.
I was gonna say, hey, can you
This is gonna be a start of a long, long relationship.
if I kill him, it's your
No, we're best buddies.
can I take the test on Tuesday night or Tuesday?
I don't want to make this. I know you're not ready.
I know.
Okay, I'm good with
I think that's what I was gonna say. I'm like, I'm not. I know the first 4 questions. That's about it. I know the first 4 questions for sure.
Are you saying with a smile?
Because I know my.
Are you very extinct?
I'm taking your job. That's not taking that. I'm taking on Hunter's job. Helping him. I'm taking on Hunter.
So is that
No. Can I pick? She's so much smarter than him. It's not even a question. She's so much smarter than him. It's not even a question.
but you're not taking the calculus right now?
Yeah. She definitely knows more than you figure out somehow.
Yeah, she probably does know more than it's supposed to be learning.
That's your friend. Yeah, I'm not gonna be bothered by business.
You're gonna help this boy.
So right now we're
Well, I feel bad for you, but okay.
I can
So-
help Arthur.
Huh?
I can help Arthur.
I'll actually no. It's not that I don't.
Take a minute. If you want to take a minute.
I'm gonna take advantage. I need one.
You distracted. You were distracted. You were causing a distraction.
Keep it on fast, Mr. Games.
Yeah. Serious? I see someone else touch me and not me.
I think this is the answer. I know what the answer is. I know how to do it. I made simple mistake on the first part.
Okay, so how about this? You supervise him and teach him him.
Someone's gonna all sad table.
Huh? No. I need him to teach, so he knows how to teach. I know you know how to teach, but you need to learn. What? That's
Maybe that wasn't me.
no, because you do, yeah, you do everything. So you end up together.
I'm gotten better at it though.
No, because I always ask you, how do you do this until I get the answer.
So
Yeah,
People
so
like you piss me off. That's why I'm like, no, you're gonna show me.
okay.
So we're gonna go sit down and I'm gonna help him get this.
Yeah, so he's doing the work. You are boss,
Okay.
and you get a point. You and him gonna work together. You and him is gonna work on one side. You're gonna figure out how to do it with each other. And you have to make sure both of you guys understand. And
Give me a
both
paddle.
of you guys get it.
Okay, paddle.
Alright, we're I don't think BC has precedent, bro.
Yeah, no, I
BC at present.
Yeah. Okay, look, let me play. I think like height has precedent too. Yo, Mr. Yi, BC plays first, right?
Mr. Yi.
BC play. Yeah, BC play.
Sure, got it.
Mr. Ye, this is your paddle, right?
Is there another one that's working?
What, Mr. Ye? Is it?
You're gonna be the one writing.
I'm not trying to like skip out of it. I don't know, like I might look like a dipshit, but I'm not actually a dipshit.
Is it?
Huh?
Oh, that was a good hit.
Oh, you got 1 point.
Don't do it every time.
Let's see, good open.
I'm really run this back. Just like,
Boy, you've had a whole nother year to do this every Friday. You guys
Third. And
it worked. But why would that's good, but why? Sometimes it's like who's the
There's something wrong with the teacher. One like real AP.
who's the teacher? Well, what do you want to change?
I just went to the teacher. I was like, yeah. Okay, for me to go to your first grade.
Yeah, it doesn't bother.
Do you have a seat?
Yeah.
Oh,
It's like all these 7, but it's plus 5. So that's another 34.
I don't want to sit down.
Okay, well, make sure they switch to you gotta think
Oh,
nice.
I don't get like today's like homework challenges. Like I did the first one. Oh, sorry. I did the first like section, and I was able to get answers, but I kind of did it like differently. I mean, like I kind of just made sense of it. So like,
Dude, 2-0 is crazy. Are we gonna shoot here?
No, we have, you need to ask.
Like someone working. Can you help me
Can I check the pen?
What kind of questions?
I mean,
What kind of questions that? No, you cannot take the test home. Then don't take it. Then don't fail the first time. You don't the first 3 times you didn't do a homework, and now you want to tell me this? Okay. So when you don't do your work, you have to do the. That's atmosphere you asked for. I didn't ask you for this.
can do like replace hands like that.
I'm not replacing. I mean you halfway.
The point, like the point.
Okay. Either you don't take it or don't take it. That's it. Don't ask me any question. You take it or don't take it. I don't care.
Okay.
You're gonna take it now, or you're gonna take it. Don't take it at all.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, I didn't think it's good.
This is like crazy fact.
So for this, like, what do you like? Do you multiply the two out?
Cannot do that. Okay.
So,
So you multiply 2 over x.
Do you realize what we talked about this morning? Because if you have sine of same thing over the same thing, the sine of x over x, that is not x. They are the same thing. What you can do is you multiply half on the top, half on the bottom. The half's gonna be right here, half on the bottom, that's right.
No hand eye coordination.
So
But why do you multiply by half?
because you want to make sure that this is equal to 2 as well.
Oh,
So you multiply that with half. So this is gonna belong to here. This you can take out outside, and we're just gonna be here.
oh, okay. And for the A and B ones,
Don't stop. Split them. You either split them.
so it'd be sine of AX over 1
You
sine of 1 over sine of BX.
You have to make the BX on the top and AX on the bottom.
So for this one, did I do it correctly? Because I thought it was
It's not. That's not correct.
so because you said to split them off, and I did. And then you would do 3, 6, over 2 also gets 6.
That's
Actually good.
how. So you have to think about how.
So you or just split these up to like 1?
I'm not sure how to do it. It's gonna teach you how to students to come up as. You're right. It's not so.
I have none. I think they- Thank you. Like, I guess that we did it. Wait,
Why is he like actually?
What?
I mean, you're actually right, but
Yeah, like it's correct. But like, I don't Yeah, because I thought it would have like the other 3 up here to get 6. Okay, I'm coming.
give me research.
No, if it I asked like that. I don't care. Bro, you can rally with me already for I'll finish the track. I'm playing all of them.
okay. So I'm just gonna go this one. Just something.
I'm trying not to.
Limit.
No, yeah,
of AX of 1.
You don't have a start.
1 to 7.
Sorry, wait, you have -5.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I can actually modify.
It has to go 6 inches.
X over
Hit
X.
your side and then
So that way we can get X.
Okay.
Okay. And we can multiply by B.
To get
Because
that.
BX
On the
here.
back.
Yeah.
Oh, you that's your that's a problem.
So AX is here. So I can.
Wait, so
Okay. Thank you.
What? Until you figure out what's wrong.
Wow.
Figure out what's wrong here, and you don't understand. Yes.
For this bonus question, I don't understand like, where to start.
Do you work out everything?
I did, yeah. Yeah, I did that.
You don't need to be able to go. I don't. I need you to be able to. Bonus is not a big deal. You're not in the one. You tell me what's wrong. Why am I getting upset? Why did I get so upset? Okay. So why do I get upset? Why do I get upset? What? And that's not why.
Why not? Actually, someone else probably get
Exactly.
Right, you replace ping pong with ping pong.
What's that? You got this.
Every point you lose, the person gets the
Doctor's appointment.
Okay, you didn't do well on your test.
I know.
Okay, so I might find the test feedback.
Are there like, can I do corrections or?
David, why you take your phone back?
You ready?
One more.
Okay. I really understand now.
I have one, sir.
So go to understand.
What?
Go to understand.
That hit me.
Because I don't know how to do 25 just because I simply don't find the
Got it.
complete the table to find the
You rewrite it. And you write it again. You cannot take the X from the bottom. You have to take it move to the top.
Wouldn't that be 2x to the negative? Wouldn't it be 2x to the negative 2? Because it's 2x squared.
Brandon, let me put you back.
Yeah, now you can. Because before you cannot take it to the X on the bottom.
So that's what we write, right? So that would be rewrite. Differentiate would be derived. And then simplify is
We write the positive.
what?
Where to become the positive.
One.
Right?
Are you threatening with good time?
I'll change it back into a fraction.
Okay.
Bro, without the paddle.
4-1.
More point.
You take all that up.
We can say.
All right. 5-1? Yeah, 5-8.
Alan, I'm lost.
I'm like,
He played it all summer.
You noticed never had last summer? I can't do it.
Him? Yeah. I don't. You only beat me by like 3.
Yeah, because I gave you every point.
I haven't played for like 6 months.
Well, I know you beat him.
No, I'm bad now.
What?
Yeah, I'll be good in like a month.
See a ball on your side? I'm just gonna get a couple.
That's
If you don't pick it up,
I got it.
Yeah. Are you serious? What? I fixed it.
I want to like that.
Wow, no. 6-2. What?
here, you don't listen to me all the time, so that's not what.
8-2. We're running up another. Someone wait. No. Aren't you leaving?
No.
Wait, I do all that. I play you. I want to play you. Or I'll play. I hate your side, bro. I know. Play Mary. Mary, play me.
No. Just go.
I too, bro.
Hit the ball.
You can't serve.
What'd you say about me?
And I thought a lot of kids are like,
I thought.
go kid.
Big two. Okay, I'm on 7.
Or not this guy. The power you just lost in this really good.
No. Hey. No, you get off the table. I don't know you.
You see me in the middle of playing.
Actually, I
have no idea.
Yeah.
It's like
Y'all have actually the policy.
7-3.
There's behind.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can't serve. Obviously, I don't. I'm
You don't joke.
just like general knowledge. I don't know. You can't serve like.
That's what I can't.
You can't like when you're serving, you can't leave it open. It has to be hit behind this line.
Oh, no, now it's back. Now it's back.
It's 5, 7, 9.
I got 6.
Yeah, I'm sure. Only 6.
Alright, 2 on 1.
Too often.
Worst thing I learned you can do last time. You don't understand.
That's not it.
No one says. I didn't even hit the white.
You can't.
Thank you. Tell them about 8, 3, 4.
You don't know that you
It was still spinning. It's not on my hands.
even though I see
I didn't just win it.
Doing good, man. I would never go in. Yeah, obviously good.
Tree. Why you using a phone? Give me a test. Do done.
My computer?
Give it to me. Give it to me. No, give a test to me. It's a damn test. You using a cell phone?
It's loud.
I don't give a shit. You are the person that choose to fail that test, choose not to do homework for twice in a row, and you say you want to take a test and you're still using a cell phone. What's that got to do with loudness? Nothing. Give it to me. You can go. The grade's not changing.
Did I take the wrong? Yeah. Once we get to that, it takes the longest time. Where's my phone go? Here, what you do?
Yeah, it's happened to me before.
Oh, come on, guys. You know so it doesn't give us 7.
Oh, that's what's that.
So I have to like do more second work.
We're looking at this, and he factored out a cotangent. Why wouldn't like the zeros for cotangent work too?
There was a different reason. But you're right. Cotangent is not supposed to be
Why
You're being loud.
I know. I do that too.
Yeah,
When I do it, I feel my hands. I go to the
yeah. But like you throw it up, you just keep your hands long. Exactly. See what I mean? It's leak. No, that one's Zico.
Like,
9, 4.
I'll go 21. I will 21.
So 0. Yeah.
Just back.
Yeah.
We're not good enough. I can't back in. And it's so it goes here. So I'll get to go. I can't do that. But I hit right. So I exactly. Let's do that. It's a positive. Yeah, that was a good value. Yeah. We're having good rally. We're having good rally. Okay. Yeah. Right. Actually, still you get 2.5 pounds. Oh, no, sure. Oh, you're yeah. The second one, 2.5. Ah. Yeah. I don't like that. It's not. It's a plastic thing right here. On your side. Everyone is saying because they like that. Yeah. Keep going. Yeah. So we switch out 5. It's still I appreciate the single mother being school.
Chase. Chase. Number 10C is 4x squared minus 28x plus 49. It's a plus sign. Those people are redoing the test. It's a plus sign at 10C.
You made the line rating, you made, I got something down.
Oh!
It's plus 29. Yeah.
It's a test. You cannot take it home, and you just use your cell phone.
I'll try.
No, no chance. I just yell at my own kids, same thing. I have really, this is with me. I have no respect a person who try to utilize anything else. I will help you in any way. But if you don't do work, and if you're gonna
Who dropped this?
try to cheat on the cell phone, no.
Oh my God.
And that, if today says, okay, I need to use cell phone, Mr. A, can I use a cell phone for something else? That's fine. But you didn't. You know that's a test.
Keep going. No. It's 1 here. Go to all 5. It's 5. Yeah.
So no, you lost your chance. Try to do that instead. Try to get 100%. You will have a high ability. That test is very easy. You have high ability, but you choose not to do your work. And when you get yourself in the situation, not me.
That's fine now. That was your fault.
I don't like people who try to play games. I don't like it. It is what it is. So next time, try to do better. You still can average your score next time.
That is oh, that was bad.
I don't like people playing games.
There's like nothing to do with that.
I would do everything for kids, but I will not play game for kids. Yes, 10C is plus 49.
What do you mean?
This plus
Oh, that's what
6 is? 6
I need to go for these like. Hey, there's one right here. Yeah, I want to get the one out.
What am I doing? 7 5. What's 8 6?
Wrestling is funny because it's just what the guys are just.
That's big.
Just wait what they have started.
1 6.
And then there's a question. Yeah.
They will never try.
Oh, come on.
Fine. Come back right now.
How long are you planning to stay here? I already know when you do. That's what the rest of the guys is.
Okay. What is that?
Yo, Mr. Yates.
No, you can multiply on the
What is it?
It was like a quarter break.
And no one.
Bro, put top in it. You're just like rushing.
No, I could. You know, multiply like the things. Are you allowed to divide like this? If I divide by like big X.
I always forget like which way.
Let me ask.
Now it's 12.
This is the bottom, right? 0 number minus 1, right? So the issue is somehow.
Whatever you want.
One mass cosine. How do you you can do something with sin square. Think about what you can do with sin square. It's enough room so far.
Oh, this square. Right? To get the identity.
What that is? Sin square. Sin square can change for what?
1 minus.
What did I do? Here,
And what can you do depends on what the bottom 1 by 2.
Oh, you would factor 1.
Not factor 1. Factor.
Oh yeah, you would factor the cosine.
Hey, go, man.
No.
Me and you next.
Factor what?
And then me and Alan.
Factor the 1?
Go to sin square. Yeah, I got something I can do there. Think about what can you factor more? Because 1 minus cosine of x.
I want like this. 12.
We may.
Yeah. No, you got it. What do I do? Bring him here. Better than this.
Yeah.
Stop selling. It's fine. Come back.
No, don't read on that. Reading that.
Come back. Come back. Come back.
So you know, like,
Come back right now. I keep
13, 14.
yeah.
Okay,
14.
I sold the comeback as a session. Yeah.
I don't know why. It's
You already had 2 good.
So I did 1, 8, and D. How did
whatever you want to do.
the question I have for 1, 2, why is it instead of
Correct substitution first. Always correct substitution. It only be that 0 over 0 when you have to be careful.
so you're saying that because it's die,
Yo, come on.
just do the
You were ready for the 0.
Okay, you want to do that? That's I'm trying to wait, bro. I keep wanting to wait.
Arthur, you're gonna spend time here to socializing, or you're gonna spend time here to actually understand math. If you don't want to understand math, you can leave, and I will be welcome to do that.
Holy shit. I cannot get that. Wow, bro. I can always have I got a content. You just go. So 17 off.
No?
Not 17? Okay. So you just want
I'm asking you.
I have my
do that again.
Are we going 21? 21?
I already told you. I need people around you.
I'm pretty sure. So well, I ended up with a 0 was sign of 0, 0. Stop. Well, I got a 0 and 0. What do I do?
1918.
Well, 3 minutes.
I can't search. Oh, for that D. Oh, that's a fun.
What made you like bring your
You don't have to.
2019?
You don't have to.
You one more step.
You haven't learned it yet.
Oh, okay. I can't do that. Even if I know that it's
That's it already.
I have to do it.
Let me play. You don't have that toy.
Or because
If you have a toy, yes, but you don't have that toy.
to do this without
Yeah.
I'll show you the notes I have.
Did we do that first?
No, with
What period did you?
I think that's what.
So what I
I have no space in that.
have X on X. 1 by 2 over 2.
Right.
Right. And 1 by 3 over 3 to put it right here. So I can have 2 over 3.
Yeah, but for me, it's not, you don't have time. It's like cute.
No, it's 3-2.
So that means sign of X, that's sign of X. That's sign of X.
3-2.
Since then, they have to do that 3 times.
Just figure out what you do it shorter. You can do it shorter if you want.
Oh.
Yeah, great. Let's play some. Dude, I didn't do this. It's skip right off the order.
I see.
4-4.
I see. I think this is for me it's 2, so it's not this. I don't take a picture of this to see if I can apply any of the steps.
Yeah, I believe you can.
No, I'll get back to you. You know how to do that, but
Give me a second, I'll get back.
Yeah, that's gonna be.
you're not That's what I know. I guess you're better.
Arthur, Alejandro, that's what I'm talking about.
Killer already left probably.
You just finished the first page.
Oh no, and he keep on going to the next page. Don't get distracted. That's why I said.
Farthest pocket out.
Right before I leave. I don't know what else to do. I did. Look what I got.
Yeah, I can't pass. 4-10.
No, you cannot cancel. You can factor 1 minus cosine squared though.
Why can't I cancel?
Oh my god, success.
Well, this is 1, so this is just leave it 1.
1 minus cosine. You know how to factor 1 minus squared.
Makes sense though.
Oh, I thought he said after 20 minutes you should say I have to go.
No, go to 21.
X was 1, X was 1.
I was not ready for that.
No, 1 minus x.
What am I doing? Ball, please.
Oh, yeah.
Ball.
So how does that apply to the
Here we
prime?
go.
Hit me up at 3. And can I like tell him? It's like, give me up.
Yeah.
What is it?
So it would be 1 minus cosine 1 plus.
So that's how you can tell 1 minus cosine, right?
Oh no.
Thank you. I don't know what happened today. I was like,
Oh, wait. You have to toss it.
Don't worry, just you tell me, I'm okay with it.
Gave him the point. It's his point already, boy.
Wait, hold. 9-12.
I can show. I can do that.
I'm mistaken. Yeah.
Oh, alright, Darren.
What am I doing? No, I'm still lucky with the ball there. 13. Huh? 13? Yeah.
Let me get next round.
They emailed back. You have no reason to go to study.
Oh, yeah. 14. Yeah. Can I toss it? No, it's fine.
Weekend?
Right?
What is that? 14.
Weekend?
You gave me, I'll give you these ones.
Hey, yeah, why did I?
14, 13.
Yeah, Loki.
Dude.
What you do?
I think
That was sad.
people will try to cheat.
I remember this one time when before I even had you as a teacher, I was with my bro. I was with my brother, and we went to the Mall of Millennium. And I remember we saw you playing ping pong, and I was like, "Yo, that's one of the math teachers at Olympia. His name is."
I saw you.
Yeah. You saw me.
They were there laughing. Oh, who's that white kid there?
Yeah, I remember you like said something. And we were like, "Oh shoot, let's go."
Yeah, I remember that. It happened recently.
Really?
Right?
No, that was like
4 weeks ago. 5 weeks.
6 months, 7 months.
And then, yeah, no, I remember one situation like that. And when I go look back, so I want to go step back, but you run away.
Yeah, no, we were just like looking for a minute. It must have been like 30 seconds, and then you like noticed us. I was like, we didn't know what you were saying, so we just left.
You just keep talking.
Little did I know that was my teacher's father.
See, you came to the beach.
That was my brother.
Was that in?
Hey, Devin, I'm gonna be a PS part of that point. You know I'm wrong. Yeah,
I'm just holding. Yeah, I had to
I'm
go this
working,
way.
bro.
What else?
2-1.
You're making him do debate? Why?
Well, we had
Dude, that's gross.
according to what you write on the group chat, if I don't do it, my dad will kill me.
Yeah, that's what I saw, and I was like, damn, bro, Mr. A pushed that. Like, why?
But no, this is the promise that we switched about a year ago. He's supposed to do for Miss Hines. You know Miss Hines? She's like,
I didn't go to
there was a writing competition. He didn't want to go. I said, okay, you're gonna join the debate team and try out that. So he doesn't have to do the writing contest. Because he's supposed to do a competition, write all day. He said he doesn't want to go. I said, okay, wait, that's not the deal. The deal is I join the league. And he doesn't have to do he doesn't have to do writing contest. He knows I'm talking about.
I did it out of my own volition because my girlfriend did.
He knows what I'm talking about. I don't, this is our problems between each other. It wasn't because.
No, Gabby's probably gonna help. She's the best person on the team.
That's correct.
Oh yeah. Very good at debating.
Oh, what did you said about me?
I met her in debate class.
What said about me?
I'm not talking about shit.
No, yet I'm not saying anything. But that's okay. What do you need?
No, I've not been particularly fast, but I have not been first. You just like first. You gave us 3 majors. All of this, this, and something all.
I remember freshman year, Mr. Coolheim. One time, he got up to the rest. Made an announcement to the whole room. He's just like, I just want y'all to know, you're an Apex. Be a classic with it.
Oh yeah.
Ian?
No, me and Tom a lot.
I'm gonna go pee, Mr. Yeah, it's a pee break. I don't know. I got pretty close with Mr. Design last year because I had to take the Dora class and it was only I got talking, and I don't think you're maybe like the way that you expect something out of students and you don't allow them to get you know, and you actually have expectations and you get mad and still follow through on those expectations. That's the only thing that I could see. Like personality.
On the back one.
Humor is not the same. Way of teaching isn't the same. If your way of teaching works way better. Yeah, but I mean, just like the way you conduct a class. Yeah.
He has a lot of class. He has 39 kids.
Oh, it's actually sick.
There are 39 kids. I'll be like,
Yeah,
I don't know. His teaching method didn't really work for me. I got a 1 on geography and a C in the class.
right now for this drill, how'd you get like,
I did the work and did bad on all the tests. Bro, I didn't. It's because I didn't understand like the point of school. Like halfway through college. Like I never.
That's the topic.
Like they were like totally the type of parents to just be like, oh, like as long as you're not failing any classes, it's fine. And like my mom, last year I took 5 AP classes, and she was like, no, like, that's way too many. You need to drop it down to like 2. You're gonna stretch yourself out. So she's that type of person, you know.
I put the Carter. The Gabby and DC.
No! AP stats. Bro, Caden. What's up, Caden? That's okay. Why Caden's not here? Yeah.
Why are you giving me that? I'm not gonna play another game. What? I'm gonna play another game. Okay, well, no, I need to talk about it. So, I'll
He said, I didn't know. He didn't know that I was going, and if he went, then he wouldn't have been able to get a ride home.
I want to get games down on set me off. Yeah, is it like this?
I said that while I was actually here, bro, because it was already like 10 minutes ago.
That's it. Is that legal? Yeah. Make sure you stop.
Yeah. Hold on, let me call you back. About to get stop him.
17.
No.
Never mind. That's so it's like 50-50. Yeah. I want to play Naren again.
Missed it, bro.
Oh no! I was so ready. Wait. Bro, I thought you were going to not study, bro. We need to phone that shit in. No, I you need to get into it, bro. You love that word. You need to get into it, bro. I'm trying to deflect the. No, you're deflecting. Oh, yeah, you're right. I want to use that. You want to see Smash? I want Smash, but like, yeah. I missed 78. No, like, just like, I don't know how to explain it. It's like a harder on a line. Yeah, I like creating it, make it like all one. Let me show it to you. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. That's a lot of good demonstration. Take my backpack. Not working. I know. It is working. It is. I didn't even know. It takes time to start. What the fuck am I doing? It takes a little to start off. No, it says on the thing. Give it a minute, bro. Go the lightning. Yeah. It gives it a little bit. It's charging. Give it 2 minutes. All right. No, 65. Yeah, you just did it. Yeah, but I can't do it when you're actually hitting your card.
No. Bro, I want to show this shit to Mr. Ye, bro.
I do. Yeah. I had to.
Sorry.
Oh my god. Yeah. It barely goes over the neck. Which one? Let me play there. Let me play. After here. After here.
I like it funny. Yeah, I like how.
Yeah.
Why are you being
You just stand on this.
Big Ed.
You see how you were top that was a game. Yeah, like that. Did you see that? I go like this and it's go. There we go. Can you give me your top look, sir? Hey, Nico. 1 second. I'll buy it. It literally says. I don't know. I didn't watch. This is how you see. Give me a right now. Dude, I can't do it when I have to. Oh, Brandon, they do with these things. Not me. Yeah, let me play the game. Yeah, keep it that way. Let me play the game. You want it so. Judge how. Oh, bro, you want Brandon? I don't have a ball. You need the ball. You'll get a ball. Brian. No. Oh my god. Yeah, can you make this question the first? Yeah, sure. Here. Like 90% correct. I learned something. Yeah. I don't want to move. It's like one day.
Brandon, we just messing with the first couple. The first couple ones you were just like going
Darn it.
Yeah.
No. That was illegal. You have to toss it out again for I don't know. Nice one. Yeah. I want to go 21. Right? You got fucking help it. What else? This is like. What?
Yeah.
Go ahead and play. Yeah.
You're not him, bro.
I want to do that. So, do one. Yeah. Like this. Let's do my thing.
Wait, why did we switch sir?
No, you did it on one.
Why the fuck did you say that?
Okay. I just said, what is it? 1-4?
Yeah. 1-5. 1-5.
No!
That's how it works. 1-5.
Now, actually, what? 2-4. What the fuck? 2-4.
Bro, I'll actually get it right now.
I think I'm doing a really no, but it's really
Play.
Terrible.
2-4. Go.
Terrible.
Take the square out of that. Yeah, no, that's just it. Just like that's very good.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
All the
you
My bad.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Five all. Yeah, you decide 10.
Sorry, I'm sorry. I apologize. That was not my intention. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, I apologize. I'm sure.
Oh, no, you did that to me a lot.
Let me stop. What are you doing? You went. I'm kind of listening. No, I think or 9 steps. I'm not. I'm never doing that shot again. Oh, no, you're not. Are we doing coffee? Let me go. What is that?
Is your phone?
No, it's your phone.
Okay, I want you to look up why distribute power. You cannot distribute power.
Good. What am I doing? Oh, okay.
Don't be lazy. What if I'm not being lazy? What's the best way to do that question? And then we'll get it correct.
Do I separate it?
Let me read that.
Separate it and then do what?
No,
You're gonna find out you have to. So you're gonna work with them.
Yes.
Explain to her why did she go?
Getting there. Oh my God. No, that's right. It's one. It's not how they got it. I had the best. Yeah, one for the just. Get out of here. He said it was. Keep up. Oh, no, it's not. I was trying to just. Just lost.
Oh yeah.
Route 3. I thought Route 3. On the line 3.
Trying to do the tough.
Which one?
Got it.
I want to try that. Hold on. You know your pick your time? Just pick your time. You're gonna have it. And you're gonna have two. I don't know, it works sometimes.
So I
Every time. Yeah, you works. That count like an actual game? Yeah. You're not in there. Oh my God. That's fine. All right, continue. Take time. Yeah. Yes, I did it. Bingo. Yeah. Come on. Who's good? Who's good, but like not as good as there? Brandon, you talking about me? Who's good, but not as good as there? Nico. Nico, yeah. Yeah, Nico, let me play you, bro. I mean, so you get first. All right. You need to warm up. Yeah, that's the serve. That's the serve. It goes faster though. Yeah, that was like 50%. One minute. Why did I do that? Yeah. Never mind. I know you're fine. For that, what I see this. Oh, wait, so yeah, that's in my back. Like, you know, oh, yeah. No. I got
Yeah.
I don't know what it's doing. Yeah, or what it was here. Here. If you don't fit the backup, and normally you would back up. Yeah, no, right. You should read them. You're not. Under the deck. Under the deck.
Yeah.
You skip my question. You skip one. You don't. That's right. You can like if you get that low, you can like top to the
Have a good day.
You have backspin, sir.
Huh?
You have backspin, sir.
It's 0.2.
It's 5 feet away from that.
You do like yeah.
That's hard.
You just have to like, use your knees and you're like. Why is it?
No, why not? You'd be playing this game.
Yeah. No, on the back end, yeah. I can.
You guys come in the state. I need to practice that now. Go back here. Yes, alright, let's go. Next one. Yeah, we went. No, I'm that's yeah. You told them. It's fine, bro. I'm gonna hit this one. No. What if I just you know that almost I put some chocolate on them. I hope he puts out. Alright, that's not wait, you got one. Right, that's the if it's like here, then you hit it. Aaron should easily get that. That's a big old yo. I was trying not to hurt. Just. Oh my god. Like a donut. So 5-3.
Thing where it goes here, and then I do something that spins hella missing.
Yeah. The snake.
Yeah, snake. I do that.
Oh, I've done that.
I've never done that. I've done
that. What if we play vocal?
These three.
So I did this, but I did for this one.
What? You got like crazy form. You got that.
Okay.
I had that. Like, no.
That's
I can get your act in. No, great. No, I got that. Dude, I found it, bro.
You can't start here, but it's a joke.
I was such a oh my god. No, I'm good at the forehand receiving. I just can't back at all. And I make stupid mistakes. Now let me smash and you see, okay? But not doing that. Huh? How do you want me to hit it? Normally or you see already the same thing. Do you see that? Pretty sure. Yeah, bro. You hit one that spike, and it hits like so high. And it's like insane. If you were to my mom, yeah. Fuck, you hit it. I'm not gonna hit it hard. Get it back here. Do you want me to? It's fine. Well, I know. Yeah. All right. People run down. That's down to 6. Yeah. Oh, that's coming towards it. Yeah. Okay.
That does not matter.
What's it? 6.
Well, then why would you buy that on Amazon? Why would you buy that?
Oh my god, that would be disgusting.
Don't do that. Yeah. You really want to end on that? Wait, that went over?
Yeah, that was over.
Nothing like it's a different scenario. Because they're gonna drink on play again. That's all. I'm saying everybody there. You go play Brandon.
Okay, I didn't get anybody.
Oh, I don't.
Mr. A, you going to the game today?
So did I just
No.
No, I didn't listen to that. Soldier school, bro.
They're in your. What? I want to play. Let's get it first side. I'm gonna put it on this side.
I know that, right?
Wait, let me play Nico.
Then you get ready.
No, no.
You're
so tall, bro.
So you say physical.
Yeah.
I'm working on it. I have time. I got
Nobody studied.
No, you're so active.
Number 8.
Okay, I actually play.
Why you doing my magic?
And then while we're playing, you have to
But I think that I heard something.
That was 150.
No, no,
That's a mistake. I didn't catch.
Hit the same spot. Fuck.